What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be doing a giveaway. I know this video is a long time coming, but I was wanting to get well past 10,000 before I did the giveaway, just because sometimes, you know, people will drop off and then you'll be under 10,000 again. So I definitely wanted to get well past 10,000 so I can do this giveaway. And yeah, no matter when you're watching it, I'm going to be over 10,000, so it'll make sense, okay? And guys, I just want to say thank you for all of you who have supported me throughout the years. It's because of you that I can even do this giveaway, that I even made the milestone of 10,000. That was my goal for 2024, was to hit 10,000, and I exceeded my goal. So it's not even the end of 2024 yet. So I am so ecstatic and happy about it. And I just wanted to thank you guys by doing the giveaway. I want to say that when I started this channel, I didn't have any expectations for it. I didn't have any goals. I didn't know really how long I was going to do it and things of that sort. It was something that I just started because I had went natural, was watching hair videos and was watching them so much, trying to learn about hair and ingredients and this and that my husband kind of encouraged me to start the channel just so I can, you know, document my journey and hopefully help someone too. But being an introvert and just not knowing what to expect or how it worked, I just didn't know how long I would be doing it. And the fact that I have been doing it now since 2019 says a lot, because it's because of you that I just kept coming back and kept coming back and kept coming back. So yeah, you guys are the main reason that I keep doing this. The encouragement that you give me, the suggestions that you give me, the fact that you are invested in not only my hair journey but in my family. I just really appreciate that, and I want to let you guys know. If you've been with me since the beginning, you saw when I was doing AJ's hair when he was a little bit younger before he ever went off to college, and then you saw him graduate, go off to college, and the fact that you're still around, you're still enjoying hearing from him with the Q&As, all of that means a lot, and all of that is what keeps me coming back to the channel and doing what I do, because without you, this channel wouldn't be here. I'm gonna tell you that now. I'm also thankful to God, because God is the one who's bringing you to me. He's the one who keeps you coming back, keeps you sharing my videos with other people and things like that. So I'm just, you know, I'm just grateful. I'm grateful to you guys. I'm grateful to the Lord, because without him, none of this is possible. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into this giveaway. So I got 3 sets. Look, 3, like that's 3, not 6. So I got 3 sets that I want to give away, and 2 of the sets were gifted to me. Another set I just had on hand, but I know that I'm not going to use these products, so I want to give them to somebody or gift them to you guys, someone who I think will really use them and can benefit from them. So I do want to preface by saying, if you know you are not going to use the products that I show today, please don't just try to win the giveaway. Let someone who can really use these products hopefully win the giveaway, and I'm going to have more, so you'll also get your chance to win if these products don't suit you, okay? Now, that's my hope and that's my suggestion. I know some of y'all gonna do what you want to do, but that is my hope and my suggestion, because some of these products are tailored for certain things, and if it's not your hair concern, then there's no reason really for you to win the giveaway. Okay, so the first set that I want to give away is a set from NaturalRaeRae. They gifted me this set. If you remember, I did do a video on my channel using a separate set. I'll link it here if you haven't seen it. And I like the products, but they're not for every week use, in my opinion. For my hair, I would use them when I would straighten my hair, so that's why you haven't seen them really again on my channel, because I don't straighten my hair a lot or blow my hair out a lot. But this particular set I have not used. This set is actually for fine hair. It is supposed to boost, lengthen, give density, and fullness to fine hair. Okay, so that's why I said if you don't have that problem, if you have dense hair like me, coarse hair like me, then this is not going to benefit you. So please leave this for someone who can benefit from it. So what is in this set is the revitalizing shampoo right here. It also has the nourishing scalp and hair conditioning leave-in, and then it also has a rejuvenating conditioner. So you have a shampoo, a conditioner, and a leave-in. This product is infused with biotin and turmeric extracts and natural antioxidants. So this set, for you girlies who have fine hair, who have limp hair, who wants your hair to look fuller, who wants to boost some volume and things like that, then this may be a set that you're interested in. I am asking that the only thing you have to do to enter the giveaway is just tell me what set you're interested in and why. How is it going to help you to win this particular set? So that's all you have to do. There's not a lot of hoops to jump through with this giveaway for any of the products. Just tell me why you want them, how it's going to help your hair, and I will go from there. So that's the first set. That is from NaturalRaeRae. So you fine hair girlies, hey, if you're interested in this, let me know in the comment section. I want the NaturalRaeRae Boost collection for fine hair, and this is why. That's all you have to do. Okay, so the second set is from Love Your Curls, and I featured them on my channel as well. I'll link that video here. They also sent me a set, and this is one that I'm probably not going to use. It's also 3 pieces, and it is the exfoliating scalp scrub. And then they also sent the healthy scalp serum, and they sent a scalp scrubber. So if you are someone who has scalp issues, who needs your scalp soothed and restored and things like that, then this may be a set that you're interested in. This says it gently exfoliates, soothes, and restores moisture. And the healthy scalp serum says it has a growth activator in it. And then you have the scalp brush. So if you were interested in Love Your Curls, wanted to try some of their products, have scalp issues, scalp concerns, things like that, and want to really deal with that, then these products may be for you. So again, in the comment section, just say, hey, I would like to, enter me for the Love Your Curls set, and tell me why or how you're going to benefit from it. And yeah, you may get an opportunity to win that set. All right, guys, now this set is for anybody, not necessarily thin hair, but just, regular hair, may need a little bit of moisture or something like that, then this set may be for you. So again, just let me know what set you're interested in, and we can go from there. So the last set that I have is a set from Tailored Beauty. I have the moisturizing coconut cream shampoo. I also have the coconut cream conditioner. I also have the moisture penetrating deep conditioner and the everything butter. So if you guys are interested in this set and want to try out Tailored Beauty, then again, just let me know in the comment section, hey, enter me for the Tailored Beauty set, and tell me why you want this set and how it would benefit you to win it. So yeah, that's all you got to do, guys, and nothing hard. Don't have to jump through a lot of hoops. Don't have to be over on Instagram and all that kind of stuff. I know a lot of you are not on Instagram. I don't want you to have to sign up for Instagram just to win. I'm just trying to gift these 3 things because I know I'm not going to use them, and I want somebody that can really benefit from them to win them. So that's how I'm going to get them out of my stash here. And guys, I do want to say that even though you're winning these sets, that doesn't mean that I won't throw some extra little goodies in with your set. So keep that in mind too. You never know what else I'm going to throw in there. These are just the main products that you're going to get, but I have a whole box of giveaway prizes and things like that I have to get rid of that stuff. So I'll be throwing in a few little extra goodies in here with your sets. So yeah, guys, that is it. That is what I'm giving away for reaching 10,000 subscribers. Again, I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate all of you. I appreciate you, like I said, taking an interest in the channel, encouraging me, giving me ideas as to what to do on the channel, what you want to see, and things like that. And just praying for me, praying for my son when he went through surgery. All those things just mean a lot to me. So yeah, guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this giveaway. This giveaway will be open for 1 week. So from the day that this is uploaded, a week later, I will be announcing the winners of the giveaway. I will have this information in the description box so you can go back and look, but I will be announcing the winners of the giveaway. Most likely I am going to announce it under your comment if you've won, so you make sure you come back to this video and see if you won. And then I'm also going to probably try to do it on a community tab. So for those of you who watch on TV, you might need to get on your computer, on your phone or something, and go into that community tab and see if you won, because I am going to announce 1 week from today the winners of these products. And I'm only going to give probably a good 24, 48 hours for you to respond to me. If I don't get a response, I'm going to give it to the next person. Okay? Y'all got that? I'm going to give it to the next person. It can't just hang out here. Can't hang out here waiting for y'all to get back. So you need to make sure that you're checking. Alrighty? Yeah, guys, that's it for this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.